Well, Bob, it was a hot day. Not too bad of a night, though. I mean, it was still a little bit steamy out there, but I feel like it cooled off just a little.
It was a nice day, though, for the most part. Sunshine, lots of it. I was out at Anna Maria. Perfect out. We're a little more on that in the fishing segment.
Yep.
And then some showers moved in later today, but not many at all. I think there'll be more coming back into play by the weekend. Viewer photos. William sending this one in. A nice shot from Bee Ridge and Honore this one. This was a sunrise, not a sunset. Been getting a lot of those in lately, and appreciate the photos. And Casey Key sunset. Well, we didn't see much of it as a result of, again, that's actually the Van Wezel webcam showing a lot of clouds around this evening. Most of the clouds not bringing a lot of rainfall. You can see the rain to the north of us now. That frontal boundary still hanging on. Unusual, again, to see it here. At this, still at this level, this is mainly a trough of low pressure, if you will, but trough has been very active. Lots of rain moving into the north of us there, but not much rain going on here, and it should stay that way. As I mentioned, there's a chance for a sprinkler or two. Rainfall total is pretty impressive to the north in the northern Gulf of Mexico, over 6 inches there, and heavier amounts into the Big Bend area, up to 2 to 3 inches of rainfall than we saw here. 81 degrees right now. Still some clouds around. The dew point temperature at 76. We have an east wind at 6. And that may be the reason why it feels a little bit nicer out there. The east wind, the barometer way up there too, 30-18. That continues to rise, and it will build in and bring some dry air in place tomorrow. So our rain chances are really quite low. 91 degrees the high today. That was 1 degree above the average of 90 and 98 the record. This morning's low was right at the average at 75 degrees. And no rainfall to report for today. And for the month and year, we're doing pretty good, just a little bit below average on both fronts. And as far as temperatures go, mid-70s in Jacksonville, Orlando, 10 degrees warmer, though, or at least 11 degrees warmer in Miami. And Key West now at 86 degrees. Forecast tomorrow calling for mostly sunny skies, a mixture of sun and clouds by midday. High temperature, low 90s. Heat index, yeah, we're talking about maybe 100 tomorrow. Not quite as hot as it was today. Tropical satellite imagery. Well, I told you this earlier. We're watching 2 areas now. And just at earlier today at around 4 o'clock, this one had about a 60% chance of developing in the next 5 days. Well, that has now changed, and we're starting to see what looks like a fairly significant system developing here in the next 5 days. And then this one in the eastern portion of the Caribbean, although not looking too impressive tonight, the chances on it have increased too from the National Hurricane Center. So disturbance number 2, the closest one to us, has a 40% chance of developing the next 5 days. And now this one at an 80% chance of developing, and looks to be pretty healthy already. Where they're going to go, well, it looks like this one's going to stay on this westerly course through the next 5 days, and by Tuesday be just to the east of the islands there. And then this one, as a result of the high pressure building over the top of us, it will kind of follow around that high and stay to our south. That's what it looks like now, but I still urge you to check out our website at mysuncoast.com and get your hurricane supply kit and hurricane information right there, and get ready. August and September, big months typically. Well, that front kind of hangs to the north of us tomorrow. The dry air moves in, clears things out, lots of sunshine. A few isolated showers, a 10% chance for, looks like Friday. Saturday, a little bit more moisture coming back into play, so a better chance for some scattered showers, but mainly inland, the focus in the afternoon and evening with that west wind. Well, for boaters tomorrow, it looks like this. So we will see a light chop out there, less than 2-foot seas really, and looks like southeast winds turn to the southwest. 88-degree water temperature, we saw that earlier. And the forecast tides, upcoming high tide will be at 12:50 and a low tide will be at 4:43. Scattered showers and an isolated thunderstorm mainly to the north and out into the Gulf. And then as far as the forecast goes tomorrow, we are looking for partly cloudy skies, a 10% chance. A high near 90, not much of a chance for rain there, and the extended forecast does call for a little bit better chance for showers and storm. They're moving over the weekend and throughout the work week next week.